In this video, I am going to talk about top 22 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see directly what are these 22 free certification courses that you can do. The first course is here, Agile Kanban for software development teams. This course will help you to learn the Kanban way of Agile project management. The second course is here for you, the complete MERN stack authentication with source code. You'll be able to learn how to develop a complete MERN stack project authentication project from this course. The third course is here, English grammar, tenses and structure. If you're interested in English grammar to learn, then you can do this course to be an expert in the English grammar, tenses and structure. Next course is here, Learn Swedish Idioms, a fun Swedish course for beginners. This course will help you to learn Swedish idioms that native speakers use only on a daily basis. The next course is here for you, the Startup Masterclass for every new entrepreneur. This course will help you to learn how to start up your new startup and become a global entrepreneur and take a step toward to change the world. The next course is React Basics for beginners. This course will help you to learn React Basics from scratch with the functional components and hooks with exotics. Next course is the Python program for everyone, Immersive training. You can learn, practice, master, think like Python professional and be a certified Python superhero in short time. The next is Python for beginners course in depth. This course is a depth introduction to both fundamentals Python programming concepts and the Python programming languages. The next one is create an interactive animated 3D face filter with Spark AR. You can learn to add touch interaction, animations and much more to your very own customer face filter. Next one is color correction and grading with Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. You can learn the essentials of color philosophy and perform technical color correction and grading tasks. The next one is this English for beginners, learn English with native teacher. You can learn basics English in an easy and interesting way. Next one is video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 for beginners. You can learn how to start editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC with this simple following along tutorials. The next one is build an API with Python. This course will help you to learn how to build a REST API from scratch. The next one is intro to Adobe Color, Spark Rush and Photoshop Express. You can learn how to use Adobe's free software tools like your Adobe Color, Adobe Spark, Adobe Rush, Photoshop, these things. The next one is machine learning and deep learning in Python and R. So you can do this course if you're interested in machine learning and deep learning. The next one is introduction to longevity medicine. So I'm going for next. It is Python and Flask framework complete course for beginners. Next one is here, minimalism. Then Valorant, play like an expert. 3D printing using Fusion 360. Artificial intelligence in marketing, how to leverage artificial intelligence to grow your business. So if you're interested in marketing, you can do this course. And the last course is here, SQL code challenges. Use SQL to answer business questions. So you'll get the link of all of these 22 free certification courses in the video description.